2900 Banyan Street. Good morning as we walk up to Banyan Street, Unit 308. This unit is 920 square feet, 2 bedroom, 1 bath. It does have 3 window AC units, all high efficiency. See if we can get a good depth of the room. This particular unit does have a large living space. The walls were just painted. Got a kitchen on the east side of the unit. That door leads to a huge closet. We'll get to that in a second. The 2 bedrooms. And your balcony. The unit just had brand new impact windows and doors installed. So we're going to go ahead and slide this door open. They're finishing construction on this brand new parking garage. You'll notice you have a little bit of water view from the corner. As well as more water view and sailboats on that corner. As we come back inside, this is considered the master. If your bed were to be on this wall, you could wake up and still see some boats coming down in the coastal on the other side of the bridge. Brand new AC unit, high efficiency. Walk-in closet. Put that light switch on, there we go. Bathroom. You have the 2 adjoining doors. Now we're in the 2nd bedroom. At the moment there's no window treatments, however you can definitely add them if you like. They were taken down when they added the new impact windows and doors. Second closet, nice size. And huge closet for storage space. Physically walk in. As we make our way into the kitchen, cabinets are in nice shape. Appliances are good. You have a pantry right there on the left, and that second door, that's just a second entrance or exit per building code. It did require having 2 doors, so yes, there are 2 doors side by side. You have this opening. The last tenant actually had a nice little breakfast nook right there in the corner. It's an option you can have as well. Again, a lot of living space, plenty of room for a dining room table, or kitchen table, and couches, entertaining center, whatever you like to set up. 2900 Banyan Street. When you walk out your front door, you do have a covered but open balcony. view. And between those trees, you can make out the ocean. It is just 1 block away, very close. Updated lobby, just renovated within the last 5 years. This particular unit comes with 1 covered parking spot. There are only 5 parking spots covered for the entire building, and 2900 Banyan Street does come with one. Right here where you see Remax Kaplan. This would be your spot. So on a rainy day, you stay dry. Secured entrance to the building, Midco keys only. This is the back entrance for owners. There's a front visitor entrance. It's a nice shot of the pool area. Again, you're just 1 block away from the ocean, but it's nice to know you have a place